Welcome to Shahrak-e Gharb, Tehran's beating heart. Every street bears with stories waiting for you. This is Platinum Center. Style meets soul here. Ready to dive into the vibe? Smash that subscribe button and join the tribe. Look around, bold looks, fresh energy, pure passion. Tehran's Gen Z is rewriting the city's story. They fearless, stylish, unstoppable. One thing, like this video and tell me what you think. From fashion to beats, this city pulses with life. Hit like, share with friends, let's spread the vibe. Music floods the streets. Joy explodes in every step. Dance with us, even just a moment. Don't forget, subscribe now for exclusive stories. Drop a comment. I wanna hear your favorite spot. Music moves us all. Feel every beat. Pure joy in motion.
Kendimi esir aldım. Çalmadı yine telefonlar, aşığım sanmıştım.
The city never stops.
ما مردیم
From bright mornings to glowing nights.
televizyon.
It breathes, it lives, it inspires. Ready for the next work. Stay tuned. Thanks for working with me. If you love this vibe, smash that subscribe button. More stories coming soon. Don't miss out. See you soon.